Al! Ha! Aba! Ha! Kasama, malugod na pinapaabot ang ating panauhing pangdangal, ang kagalang-galang na Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., Pangulo ng Sandatahang Lakas ng Pilipinas at punong commander ng Sandatahang Lakas ng Pilipinas, ang kanyang taus-pusong pasasalamat sa parangal na iginawad natin sa umagang ito.
Once again, the President of the Republic of the Philippines and the Commander-in-Chief, Armed Forces of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Please be seated.
Kakadang balikat! Ha! Kasulong! Cut!
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, good morning. Welcome to the commemoration of the 77th founding anniversary of the Philippine Air Force.
As we await the start of today's capability demonstration, we would like to take a moment to highlight what you are about to witness. This demonstration showcases the air superiority of the Philippine Air Force, emphasizing our strategic capabilities and operational excellence. The scenario
inclusive progress. Much has changed in more than 7 decades since the Philippine Air Force was established. Every day, we continue to muster strength, boost our capabilities, and consolidate power through modernization efforts and constant training. And even as we continue to grow, we take immense pride in how far we have already come in enhancing our public value, improving accountability, promoting good governance, and nurturing a culture of safety within the organization. And just as we sustain efforts to bolster our force and capability development. Alongside our endeavor towards sustainability, we have formulated the PAF Maintenance Management System Audit Manual, which is a reference for establishing a standard for a robust maintenance system and a guide for ensuring consistent implementation of effective maintenance practices towards higher operational readiness and responsiveness across all PAF units. This will also serve as a basis for recognizing units who exemplify a strong maintenance culture, thereby contributing to the sustainment efforts of the Philippine Air Force. Certainly, this year was filled with challenges and victories. And with this, allow me to share with you our Air Force story for the 77th year.
Kasabay ng paglipad ng mga ibon, kaya ang mga ulap sa langit, patuloy at matayog na paglalakbay, ng inyong buong himpapawid. 77 taon ng paglilingkod, 77 patunay ng bawat mamamayan.
Sa lahat po ng ginagawa ninyo para po mapanatili ang ating kasalukuyan.
Dayuhan,
I personally really appreciate the opportunity to fly with friends in the past.
mga kasanggan,
The Philippine Air Forces, the ability to strengthen our alliances.
More than a family.
kaibigan, at mga simpleng tao na nabago ang buhay sa bawat galaw ng bagwis ng inyong buong himpapawid.
Kahit saan maasahan.
Pinag-ibay ng bawat digmaan, pinasa ng bawat bukso ng bagyo, lindol at pagputok ng mga bulkan, maging sa gitna ng pandemya at ibang hamon ng kalikasan, patuloy, umusad at namayagpag.
Mahalaga ang inyong papel pagdating sa response.
For supporting virus disaster disaster management activities.
The Infant Cordillera is very happy and satisfied about the commitment of the Philippine Air Force.
Sumabay sa kaunlaran sa gitna ng kapayapaan, nilinan ang lakas, talino at kakayahan ng bawat sundalo,
otoridad na makapaglaro at representa ang ating bansa.
sibilyan at laang kawal.
It has always been my dream to serve my country. Oportunidad para mas mag-develop ang ating leadership skills.
Maging ang mga pamilya, mga kabataan at komunidad ay pinagtuunan.
Malaki po silang impact sa aming paaralan.
Mas kahit po kami na yung blessing po nagabatid sa akin.
For their steadfast support in assisting the resident of Mountain Municipality.
Kagamitan at teknolohiya ay ginatibay. Nagsikap na magsabay sa mabilis na pag-ikot ng mundo.
At dami nating malaking improvement dito sa airport.
And I think for the next 77 years, we are looking at really a revolution in the Air Force affairs.
Isang taon na naman ang nagdaan. Nagpatuloy sa hangaring mapag-ibayo ang kasarinlan at kaunlaran ng ating minamahal na bayan. Kabalikat ng ating mga kaibigan, maging kakulay man o dayuhan.
Pag-asa remains fully committed to working with the Philippine Air Force.
The Japan National Defense Forces and the Philippine Air Force have a very, very good relationship. How great the relationship between Spain and the Philippines.
Sa langit, sa lupa at maging sa karagatan, pinagbibigkis ang kakayahan.
An indispensable partner in our shared mission to protect our nation's sovereignty.
And securing the skies.
Hindi ko nahanap na ganahan sa ang plano ng crash ko dito sa tuloy ng Philippine Air Force. Upang mapanatili ang seguridad, hindi lang ng ating bayan,
To support na bigay sa amin sa mga focus military operations.
Alam na nandiyan sila palagi.
maging ang rehiyon na ating ginagalawan.
Goal is to keep our Indo-Pacific region open and free.
Sa pagbantay ng kalayaan, binibigyan ang bawat Pilipino ng dahilang umiti sa bawat pagsikat ng araw. Nagiging daan upang ang bawat isa ay kayapang makakahimbing sa paglubog ng araw. Araw man o gabi, sa lupa man o sa himpapawid, nagbabantay, nagmamakyat.
It's their agility and their power in the air, their ability to be proactive, to monitor, to control, and to protect the skies.
Nakikipaglaban, naghahatid ng pangangailangan,
Sa pag-deliver sa sa mga supply set.
nagliligtas,
Na casualty evacuation ng aking mga tropa and they were able to receive immediate medical attention.
sumasagip, naglalayo sa panganib,
Biglang kumispondi yung Philippine Air Force. Tapos dinala kami sa safe na lugar.
Ang inyong mabilis na aksyon ay nagligtas ng maraming buhay.
nagdadala ng tulong, nakaagapay,
Sa feeding programs, medical mission, pagbibigay saya.
Kami po ay hindi pinagpabayaan
Tanggap natin, presensya at suporta ng Philippine Air Force.
kumakalinga,
Yung Philippine Air Force nandito lagi nagbibisita sa amin para makakasaya at matugunan yung mga pangungulila nila sa pamilya nila.
nagdurugtong ng buhay,
Through the generosity and dedication, we have saved a lot of lives.
nag-uuwi sa yakap ng mga mahal sa buhay, tumutulong sa pagbuo ng pangarap ng bawat Pilipino.
Malaking tulong sa akin ang CG Pass College Grants. Paglaki ko, gusto ko maging sundalo. Paglaki ko, gusto ko
para sa mapayapa at maunlad na Pilipinas. Sa mga kaibigan, sa minamahal na bayan at higit sa lahat sa buong may kapal, maraming salamat sa 77 taon.
Carry on, Philippine Air Force. From your brothers in the Philippine Army, happy 77th anniversary to the Philippine Air Force.
They defend the skies of our archipelago.
Ability to secure the territorial integrity of our country, to secure our sovereign rights.
As your Commander-in-Chief, I'm proud to see the great distance that we and the path has flown to ensure the security and sovereignty of our beloved nation.
77 taon ng pagtatanggol, 77 taon ng paglilingkod, 77 taon ng dedikasyon at tapang, 77 taon ng pamamayagpag, tungo sa pagiging puwersang maaasa, kakaliwalaan, at may kakayanang manatili. Kami ang inyong buong ipapawid ng Pilipinas.
At the heart of everything we do are the people who have unceasingly supported us. I give my utmost respect, admiration, and sincerest gratitude to our leaders, headed by our Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Sir, your steadfast guidance and commitment to strengthening our defense force has been fundamental in shaping the direction of the Philippine Air Force. Your Air Force family will be behind you as you endeavor to steer our nation towards a bright future, as encapsulated in your new brand of leadership and governance called the Bagong Pilipinas. Our profound gratitude also goes to our Secretary of National Defense, Secretary Gilberto C. Teodoro Jr., sir, and our Armed Forces Chief of Staff, General Romeo S. Bronner Jr., for your leadership, tenacity, and wisdom that serve as our beacon that directs our flight path towards mission accomplishment. I would also like to thank our valued stakeholders, our comrades in the uniformed service, and our allies and partners for their steadfast support that continues to propel us to achieve new milestones. And most important of all, my immense gratitude goes to the divine providence of our Almighty God, who has guided and protected us in our journey over the past 77 years. As we turn over a new leaf, that your capable Philippine Air Force, now more capable, credible, and sustainable, stands ready to answer the call of duty in the midst of an ever-evolving security landscape. When trespassing aggressors are denying us our right to our own territory, threatening our ships and harming our soldiers, we are ready to respond swiftly with courage and firm resolve in defense of our sovereignty in honor of our flag. Inaalay po namin ang bigay ng ating may kapal na angking galing, tapang, lakas, maging ang aming buhay upang protektahan ang ating mga mamamayan at depensahan ang ating soberanya para makamit ang minimiting bagong Pilipinas. Pinapangako po namin na kami magsisilbing instrumento ng kapayapaan at kaunlaran para sa lahat. Having said that, I invite you all to bear witness to the incredible skill and coordination of our T-41s and our SF-260 pilots as they proudly greet us a happy 77th founding anniversary.
A round of applause to the 77 magnificent years of the Philippine Air Force.
Sa muli, maligayang ika-77 anibersaryo sa ating hukbong himpapawid. Together, we shall continue to accelerate with excellence our beloved Philippine Air Force patungo sa ating minimithing bagong Pilipinas. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Thank you, sir. Please be seated. We shall now proceed to the presentation of awards. These awards are being presented to the Philippine Air Force units, officers, enlisted personnel and civilian human resource for their meritorious and exceptional services rendered to the country and Filipino people.
May we request our guest of honor, the Commander-in-Chief Armed Forces of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to confer the awards. He will be assisted by the Commanding General, Lieutenant General Stephen P. Pareño, Philippine Air Force. The Commanding General, Philippine Air Force Streamer Awardee for Command Combat Support Flying Category. Air Mobility Command. To receive the award is Major General Joannis Leonardi B. Di Maano, Philippine Air Force. Thank you, sir.
Command Service Support, non-flying category, Air Logistics Command. And to receive the award is Major General Dennis G. Estrella, Philippine Air Force. Thank you, sir.
Wing Combat Flying Category, 15th Strike Wing. To receive the award is Brigadier General Juliano C. Larenas, Philippine Air Force. Thank you, sir.
Combat Tactical Operations Wing Non-Flying Category. Tactical Operations Wing Central. To receive the award is Brigadier General Federico B. Enriquez, Philippine Air Force. Thank you, sir.
Wing Combat Support Non-Flying Category, 580th Aircraft Control and Warning Wing. To receive the award is Colonel Francis Karem E. Neri, POF MNSA. Thank you, sir.
Wing Service Support Non-Flying Category. 4th Maintenance Wing. To receive the award is Colonel Jose Bonifacio F. Calub, PAF GSC. Thank you, sir.
CGPA Flight Safety Awardee for Flying Unit Combat Category, 5th Fighter Wing. To receive the award is Brigadier General Leo A. Fontanilla, Philippine Air Force. Thank you, sir.
CGPA Flight Safety Awardee for Flying Unit Service Support Category, Philippine Air Force Flying School. To receive the award is Colonel Justin T. Ramolete, POF GSC. Thank you, sir.
PAF Ready Reserve Wing of the Year. 3rd Air Force Wing Reserve. To receive the award is Brigadier General Nelson P. Collantes, Philippine Air Force Reserve. Thank you, sir.
Philippine Air Force Base of the Year, Fernando Air Base. And to receive the award is Major General Ramon J. Guiang, Philippine Air Force. Thank you, sir.
Field Grade Officer of the Year, Major Rajiv B. Kapatoy, Philippine Air Force from the 900 Air Force Weather Group. Thank you, sir.
Company Grade Officer of the Year, Captain Joel E. Beran, Philippine Air Force from the 5th Fighter Wing. Thank you, sir.
Non-Commissioned Officer of the Year, Master Sergeant Jake P. Belino, Philippine Air Force, from the Tactical Operations Wing, Northern Luzon. Thank you, sir.
Airman of the Year, Airwoman First Class Chantana Jane D. Neptuno, Philippine Air Force, from the Air Defense Command. Thank you, Ma'am.
Civilian Human Resource Supervisor of the Year, Miss April M. Incha, Civilian Human Resource, from Headquarters, Philippine Air Force. Thank you, ma'am.
And the Philippine Air Force Civilian Human Resource Employee of the Year, Miss Diane R. Relato, Civilian Human Resource, from Tactical Operations Wing West. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sirs, and congratulations to all our awardees. You may now return to your seats.
May we now request the Secretary of National Defense, Secretary Gilberto C. Chodoro Jr., to introduce our guests of honor and speaker.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic and the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos, Jr.
Thank you to our National Defense Secretary, Secretary Gilbert Chodoro, for your kind introduction. Please take your seat. House Speaker, Speaker Martin Romualdez, the National Security Advisor, Secretary Ed Año, the Special Assistant to the President, Secretary Anton Lagdameo, our Armed Forces Chief of Staff, General Romeo Bronner Jr., and also all the other major service commanders who are with us today, the officers and members of the Philippine Air Force, led by Commanding Lieutenant General Stephen Pareño, our awarded servicemen and other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am very happy to join the faithful guardians of our aerial domain as we commemorate the 77th founding anniversary of the Philippine Air Force. For over 70 years, our Air Force has soared through the skies as our nation's wings, gallantly embodying the Filipinos' enduring spirit of freedom. On behalf of a grateful nation, I extend my deepest gratitude to the valiant officers and personnel of the Philippine Air Force as ably commanded by Lieutenant General Stephen Pareño. Over the past year, we have made significant steps that complement and boost this administration's vision for a stronger, more capable Air Force. We have increased our maritime domain awareness by regularly conducting maritime patrol missions, monitoring over 400 unknown tracks within the Philippine Air Defense Identification Zone. We have likewise supported internal security operations, which have resulted in the surrender and neutralization of over 250 members of local insurgency groups. We have also heightened our international defense and security engagements by sustaining our talks with our foreign military counterparts and participating in multiple bilateral and multilateral military exercises. This is a testament to our stern resolve to contribute to the global peace and security. In all of these, the selfless women and men of the Air Force have been nothing short of exemplary, especially in your efforts to provide prompt assistance by regularly conducting humanitarian and disaster response operations. Under this administration, we continue to support our armed forces through capability development. Consistent efforts are being done, such as acquiring additional air assets, enhancing cyber warfare communication systems, and pursuing base development programs. We have likewise acquired additional aircraft as well as advanced radar systems, which have transformed our operational readiness and has enhanced our operational reach. Indeed, these assets contribute to an agile Air Force, capable of protecting our nation, our people, and our resources, and dedicated to ensure that we are ready to face challenges with advanced precision, speed, and force. As we celebrate another year of service, I extend my sincerest congratulations to this year's awardees for your outstanding performance. As your Commander-in-Chief, I assure you of this administration's support in prioritizing your welfare, ensuring that you are all well attended to in terms of overall health and wellness, so you may perform your duties effectively and safely. Let it be known that your unparalleled dedication and noble duty to our nation are hereby recognized. Together, let us fortify our efforts to build a stronger Air Force and Armed Forces of the Philippines that will serve as an instrument for peace and for unity, a catalyst for nation building, and the vanguard of stability. Let us move forward now, guided by the ideals of a bagong Pilipinas, and remain united in our mission to protect our skies, defend our lands, and serve our countrymen. Once again, a happy 77th anniversary to the Philippine Air Force. Mabuhay ang hukbong himpapawid ng Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang Republika ng Pilipinas.
Thank you very much, sir, for that inspiring message. We shall now proceed to the presentation of memento. May we request the Commanding General, Lieutenant General Stephen P. Pareño, Philippine Air Force, to present the memento to our guest of honors.
The memento is a brass eagle sculpture entitled The Flight of the Men and Women of the Philippine Air Force, and it symbolizes the PAF soaring together with the eagle as they continue to uphold freedom and protect the nation and its people. Also, as a token of gratitude, we present our Commander-in-Chief this pilot's jacket adorned with patches from various aircraft he has flown and mission he has championed.
Thank you, sirs.